You can create exploded views for multi-body parts just like you would have for assemblies by repositioning the bodies one at a time until the exploded view looks exactly how you want it. Once you have created the exploded view, you can then toggle back to the force between the exploded and collapsed states. You can also edit the view at any time or use it within a drawing. To exploded view, you can create a store within the active configuration of the multi-body part, and you can create a many exploded views per configuration as you like. In this exercise, we will look at the steps of creating an exploded view of the multi-body part. Here I have a mold part with the multi-body solid bodies, and I would like to create an exploded view to help show the mold is an exploded state. Exploded view are sorted within the active configuration, so make sure the configuration where you want the view to reside is active. I'll just use the default configuration here. I'll right click it and select new exploded view. This brings up the exploded view property manager. An exploded view is created by adding exploded steps for the view. The settings and options give you additional control over the explode steps and component spacing. The workflow for creating the exploded view is to first select the bodies to explode and then click to drag the multi-manipulator handle to create an explode steps. This process is to repeat it until all of the explode steps are created. Let me show you. I'll begin by selecting the 4 ejection pin. You can see there edit of the settings group box at the bodies to explode. Next, I'll click to drag the manipulator handle and explode the ejector pins upward. The roller gauge the distance. When I release the mouse button, the exploded steps is complete. Notice it appear in the property manager under explode step 1. And when I expand it, you can see the bodies are listed underneath. If I select the explode step, the bodies appear in the magenta. And I can click and drag the blue area to adjust the distance if I need to. Or I can double click the explode step to edit it. Enter the exact distance in the property manager and click apply and done to finish editing the explode steps. You can keep adding additional explode steps in this same way. I'll explore the remaining copies pins and drag up to the just slightly below in the locking pins. I'll create a few more explode steps. I'll select the cavity body and drag it downwards. And finally the model part and drag it down in between to finish the exploded view. Now that everything looks the way I want, I can click the green check and the exploded view is complete. And and you can and I can expand it even further to show the explode steps. I can double click the exploded view to explode or collapse it. To make changes, I can right click the exploded view and select the edit feature. And I can create additional exploded view in the same configuration by right click the configuration and select the new exploded view.